Yo, what's up, bros and broettes? Welcome back to the freaking vlog. Today is an epic day.
That car driving make you feel some type of way. That custom writing make you feel some type of way.
As usual. So today we are actually going to be installing this that came in the mail. It is the quick release hub adapter for the steering wheel. Let me just set the camera down so I can get this open real quick. Now I just bought a generic eBay one, not the super generic one, it's like one of those new ones, newer style things. Oops. Hardware, and here it is. Feels kind of heavy, but that's good. Okay, so that's good. Look, so as you can see on the inside, you got 3 bearings up top, 5 over there, and they match up obviously with these in here. So when you pull up, it only goes in one way. I can get it too. So I guess this will, there we go. And it locks down. Okay, cool. So this piece obviously goes onto the steering wheel. And this goes to my cables down there. Alright. Alright, so since these are both the same style prongs, and this one has one like this, you know, and then one like that, I need to get one of these on one of this. So I don't think I have one of those though, one of these. I'll have to look and see what I can find. But first off, gotta get the steering wheel off. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off real quick off camera, and then I'll show you putting on the quick release. Alright guys, back in the car. I got this connected kind of, and then heat shrink around it, so you know that positive wire doesn't be touching anything. Alright guys, so I decided to go ahead and not run the horn button with this because it is just being a bitch. Pardon my language, but it is, I don't know why they designed it like this, but they do not work well like that. Maybe if like this was further out, like maybe in line with this one, but the horn button works fine. It's just with the clip on here, it hits and it's annoying. So I'm gonna run with the horn not hooked up, but still in there. You know, just so it fills up that gap and you're not looking at this. So it will look like that. Yeah, that should be fun. Unless I like unscrew these and take these out. Nah, I'll go ahead and put this in. Yeah, I'm gonna run this like that. Alright, let's go ahead and get those screws in, and then we should be good to go. Alright, let's test it. So I'm gonna grab it like this, and it will come right off. So, there we go. That works pretty good. Let's see if I can. Oh. That is awesome. Unfortunately, I don't have the horn, but it does have my arms at a nice position. Obviously, you just see my arm right here, but it's not, again, it's easy. Now, it's not as easy as the big flap ones that the, what is it, I think it's NRG or something like that has, with the nice big wings that you can hit and pull it off. But I mean, one-handed, I can still take that off pretty easy. And then bam, even if I put it on upside down. Bam! That is awesome. That is freaking awesome. I am so happy with that so far. I mean, it's just, you know, day one, so we'll see how it holds up, but for 20 bucks on eBay, well, I think it was like 25 bucks, but for 25 bucks on eBay versus like the NRG version, which is like, I think it's like $100 and something for that nice one. You know, that ain't bad. That ain't bad at all. Yep. Really do need to get a new lens that's wide angle and autofocusing itself. But I do have this NRG, I don't know if it's a knockoff NRG, but it is weighted and it is carbon fiber shift knob, so that's nice. I do like that. And the whole interior, I'm going to redo the whole interior. I want to actually hand lay real carbon fiber over the dash, and then with the trim pieces like this, I want to do like a quilted like diamond pattern fabric, like on like right here and on the door cards in this, you know, that fabric section, and on the glove box. And then I want to wrap the doors in carbon fiber as well, and then the center console will be wrapped in carbon fiber, and then this will have the fabric on it. Yeah, so there's a lot of interior upgrades that are going to be happening as well. I know Import Alliance is coming up real soon, so that won't happen before Import Alliance, but I'll be taking this car to Import Alliance whether I have the wheels and body kit and paint on it or not. But just because last year when I went I took Snow White, yes, it's still an import, but you know, it's a 4Runner. It's not really like a show car, so I mean, it does have some stuff done to her. Like, she has a 3-inch lift, you know, the KO2 tires, the custom built headlights by myself, you know, and a little simple sound system in it. But other than that, nothing too serious. Yeah, the car's jacked up right now because I'm looking at, it's leaking oil. I just don't know where it's leaking oil from, so I cleaned all that off. But anyways, enough of the blabber. That is awesome. Great. I think that was a great purchase. Again, it feels really strong. It doesn't feel weak, or it didn't feel cheap. You know, and that's what it looks like from the side, all installed and everything. So again, you know, just one-handed it. And then it comes off, and you know, you can do the whole steering wheel thing when whatever, take it with you. That is cool. That is cool at all. But anyways, with that said, guys, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Peace out, and never look back.